Hello friends, this is Ramana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show SQL entry question. So the question is here, how to get the number of backslashes in the path using SQL query. So this is my path. Here you find backslashes are there in my path. So I want to know the number of backslashes, how to get the number. For this we need to create one use two string functions. First one is replace, second one is length. Length is text. Length of the string and returns integer. The next one is replace. It takes three parameters. Three arguments, and it will replace the old string with the new string. Replace the old string with new string. So first I will show how the replace will work. Now I am using just replace. So this is my string. It will take three arguments. First I am passing the string expression, and next I am searching for the string within the expression I want to search. So what I need to search here, I am searching for my, and it is asking to a replacement character, replacement search. So here just empty. So I'm searching for my from the MySQL and replacing with empty. So if you execute this one, you got just SQL. It will replace with the empty. My should be replaced with the empty. So I will take one more example. So MySQL tutorial is the string. So here I want to search for MySQL and I want to replace with Python. So if you execute this query, you will get Python tutorial. So this is how this replace function will work. It takes three arguments. So it will replace the old string instead of the with new string. Logic here. How many backslashes are there in the given path? So I am considering this whole path address as the string. We know there are four backslashes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I need to find out the length of this string. So if you do this one, you get the length of this string, 31. From then I need to subtract and to replace the backslash with the empty space. Backslash and then replace with just empty space. So that you can get the path without having any backslashes. Now I want to find out this length. Find out this length of after removing the backslashes from the given string. I'm executing this one. So that I will receive the 27 as length. So I am subtracting the from original string and subtracting after removing the backslashes with empty space. So earlier we already seen if you execute the full path, that means with along with backslashes, you find 31. Now if you execute this one after removing the backslashes with empty space, you got 27. Now if you execute the entire string, if you execute the entire string 4, 31 minus 27 is 4. Yes, there are 4 backslashes are there. Now I am adding one more backslashes. So just I am giving text name. So I am adding in the string A.txt. So I am adding the same in here as well. A.txt. So we know there are 5 backslashes are there in the string. Just now we added. Now if you execute this one, the length will be shown of the original string. Earlier it is 31. Now if you add 37, 37 length is there. Now after that, see the backslashes. After removing the all backslashes, take the length of the path, you got 32. So subtracting the 37, subtracting 32 from the 37, you got the number 5. That means you have 5 backslashes in the given address. So this is how you need to find out the number of count of the letters and count of the symbols of the given string by using replace and by using length. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.